You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this interesting but confusing word in English correctly. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here for once, so it's easy once you know. Excretion. Excretion. Yes, it's a sh sound, no t sound here. The stress is on the second syllable. English pronunciation. Excretion. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.